Thanks for clicking on today's video. Before we get started, please do not forget
to like,
comment,
and subscribe, boys.
Hey, let's
get this.
Hey. Oh, wrong person. There we go. The parts come in, big boy. Ooh-wee. Doing a quick swap out of, I look really tan in this lighting. I'm not this orange. Doing a swap out of the spark plugs. Cylinder 4 is misfiring. Gonna get that fixed. And then hopefully shoot a video of 5 reasons on buying the correct BMW. I didn't like the way it was set up, so hopefully we can have a good kind of like filming, because the way it came out was pretty shitty, and that was with a GoPro. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I might be upgrading to an M54. So I was pricing it out for the top half of the engine. I guess how much they want? $5,000. And that was an M52. M51 is probably gonna be an extra couple grand. And it's a common problem on yours too if you run it hard, but you can replace yours individually, whereas I have to replace the whole fucking thing. So the car works for now, but I might just try and see if I can fucking trade it in. Well, I mean, I'm gonna lose my ass on it though, but I don't know if it's just send it and just fucking do it versus spending $5,000 on it. All right, so we don't have a 14 millimeter 12-point Allen socket. No, 14 millimeter 12-point socket for spark plugs for the Beamer. So we're headed out to O'Reilly, go cop that, and hopefully they've got it in stock. Sounds like they do, but knowing our luck, you never know. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it's down there. More to come on this in another video, but it's not looking too good. Basically, if you're in the market, buy an M54. Fuck the M51 and the M52. Just buy an M54 if you drive like a fucking maniac. The O'Reilly. This ain't our O'Reilly's, but it'll work.
Yeah.
It'll work.
That one's got a magnet too, so drop.
It'd be pretty hard to get it out of there without the magnet.
Yeah. Well, the basic ones just have like a rubber stopper and them with the magnet. You know?
Oh,
yeah,
damn.
magnet comes in clutch.
Yeah. Alright.
Well, it's not bad. It's cheaper than have your wallet.
You're gonna hate me.
We just added to the PowerPoint.
5 instead of 13.
Nice. Perfect.
Oh, that was my. Hey, let's go.
Oh shit. Just fucking broke my back. So we got the right socket, and now we just gotta get out the spark plugs.
Something's not right.
God damn it, Bobby. All right, so come to find out, we don't know what the hell we're doing because it's not working. Harbor Freights, and that ain't it. Still looking around for different options because nobody has a thin wall 12-point 14 millimeter socket.
And I have to find it today. My tire's gonna pop. Like, I'm gonna show you. Like, the wire's out already. Or menthol.
Got an X7.
Or yeah. Are you a 4-pack or a 2-pack?
All right, so after Harbor Freight,
again with another spark plug.
after Harbor Freight, we weren't able to go find it, so we mobbed all the way over to Kirkland's. Where is it? AutoZone, and wherever it's at. But we're here at AutoZone. We're gonna go in. We're gonna get what we need. They do have it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, let's see.
Thin socket, baby. Thin socket.
Thin
Thin wall. I didn't want to go to O'Reilly.
It was $5
I know, bro.
on sale. Go cop right now.
Bro, I feel like copping all of them at it.
What other one?
There's 2 of them.
Oh.
Just.
No, yes, we're probably gonna lose. That was a success right there. You can tell by the hard crack. That was a success. 5 hours later, typical J&A job. You saw it with the sun up, and now the sun down, and here we are, baby. It's gonna be dark in about 5 minutes, but we got the job done. You already fucking know. The sun might come back up, too. You never know about Delphi. They tend to be like the better version of ignition coils. Well, I don't know how true that is, but they're like more expensive, so they're kind of seen as like the better version. I don't really know their history or anything like that, but Delphi, baby. Let's get like that, guys. We went ahead and finished the video. Got some Delphis in here with some Bosch spark plugs, so we are all set and good to go. If you guys want a review of that, just let us know in the comments below. But like always, make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and if you don't mind, we will catch y'all on the flip.